Do you guys remember when I made a video about the mother of all acronyms, the PAVE checklist? Well, in there I covered each of those in depth, including the aircraft. Now, the aircraft has the Aviated checklist associated with it, and those are the required inspections that you have to operate your aircraft. But let's go over this a little bit more in depth. Not all of these are required for you to operate your aircraft at all times. Let's start with 91207, which tells you your ELT must in fact have its inspection completed before you fly, no matter what. 91409 goes over the annual and the 100-hour and progressive inspections and the circumstances in which these must be completed. And these are based on operational considerations, but they always have to be done, depending on those operations. 91413 goes into the transponder required inspection, which if you're not going to be using your transponder, then you don't have to have this done. Meaning if you're not flying class Alpha, Bravo, or Charlie airspace, or inside of a Tersa, or anywhere else that would require you to have a transponder, then you don't have to worry about this one. And of course, your airworthiness directives are always required. Now, what about the VOR? You don't actually have to have this done in hardly any circumstances, unless you're operating under IFR and you're operating using the VOR system, which we don't do a lot these days. But it's always a good idea to keep your VOR system up to date by doing your 30-day test in case you ever do actually need to use your VOR. And I have made a helpful video to show you guys how to properly do a dual VOR cross-check if you don't know how to do one. Lastly, there's the altimeter pitot-static system. This you don't have to have completed either unless you're going to be operating in IFR. Now, if you do get asked about these inspections on your check ride, don't go digging yourself a hole. It's just good to know these details just in case.